In this meditation session, we embark on a journey to find peace and abundance deep within ourselves. Breathe it deeply and slowly, focusing on lightening your heart. As you exhale, feel the anxiety and worries gradually fading away. I have the power to find inner peace and prosperity in any situation. I am ready to overcome life's difficulties and experience greater happiness and fulfillment. Tell yourself, I am becoming stronger and growing through my current challenges. I have the power to turn every challenge into an opportunity. Take a deep breath and feel the strength and wisdom hidden within you. I have the power to transform my life. I believe in my inner strength and can actualize it at every moment. I am filled with positive thoughts that bring prosperity and comfort. My mind and actions create positive changes in my life. Spend some time in a state of mental peace. Imagine the richness and comfort permeating your life. Think about how this prosperity and peace are transforming your life. Every day, I bring peace and prosperity to my life. I positively accept all the gifts that the world brings to me. As we conclude this meditation, let this peace and prosperity deeply settle in your life. As you return to your daily routine, may this positive energy stay with you. I am a being capable of attracting peace and prosperity. My life will continue to grow and become more abundant. Hold on to these affirmations and return to your day. May peace and prosperity accompany you every day. Open your eyes in tranquility and embrace a new beginning. Thank you. Om Shrim Hrim Shrim Kamale Kamalalaye Mahiyam Prasida 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 Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Shrim Kamale Kamalalaye Mahiyam Prasida 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 Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Shrim Kamale Kamalalaye Mahiyam Prasida 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 Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Shrim Kamale Kamalalaye Mahiyam Prasida 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 Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Shrim Kamale Kamalalaye Mahiyam Prasida 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 Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Shrim Kamale Kamalalaye Mahiyam Prasida 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 Swaha. Om Shrim Hrim Shrim Kamale Kamalalaye Mahiyam Prasida 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 Swaha.